going to make the most of the weather. It's stopped raining now. Absolutely just chucked it down about half an hour or so ago. I think we've got a bit of a window, hopefully, for the next hour, so I can put the old drone through its paces and we'll see what this little fellow's like, because I think I'm going to be flying in there somewhere. Right, so using my good old cam cap, I'll give you a bit of a run through basically. So this is the DJI Neo. It's a small little nippy little thing, isn't it? It's really tiny. The battery's even smaller, which makes sense, I suppose. You just simply just clip it in there, like so, and then one press and then a longer press, so it makes a little noise. There we go, a bit like that. And then I want to get my phone and hopefully this will allow me to fly my drone. Takeoff. Here we go, that was good, wasn't it? Right, don't want 4K because that really messes up with my computer. We're going to try 1080p at 60 frames per second. For some reason it went over there. I don't know what happened with it. That's the first crash it's had anyway. I don't suppose it'll be the last. I don't know why it did that. Has to do something very strange. Okay, right. Okay, so we're going to get filming. Shooting in 1080p at 60 frames per second, which is what I normally film in. Doesn't seem to be much in the way of light settings on this, so I'm gonna just leave it at that, and I hope it's kind of automatic. Anyway, we'll take it off in that direction over there. I just want to see how it compares. Fly with caution. With the DJI Mini series. Right, gonna go low and slow. Just see how we get on with it, shall we? Jeepers. Takes a bit getting used to, I tell you. Oh, hello. Right, okay. Okay, right. It flies differently. I'm not touching the... Okay. Right, so I'm not touching the controls. And it's still kind of moving, as you can see, going sideways for some reason. I'm not sure why that would be. I don't know. Attitude mode. I'm trying to push it back. Fly with caution. It's not really reacting to my sticks. It's just wandering for some reason over to the left-hand side. Right, it's stopped now. I'll put it into normal mode. I just want to... Okay, I'll just take it forward gingerly. Let's see how we get on with it. I could be a little bit more kind of reckless or adventurous with this particular drone. One, because it's smaller, and two, it's actually got... Oh gosh. It's actually got prop guards around it, so I don't like what it's doing. It seems to want to do its own thing, which I'm not very happy about. I want it just to hover there, and it's not hovering there. It's doing something rather different to what I want, what I want it to do. Oh my gosh! Okay, I think I'm in a tree. I think. Oh my gosh, this is kind of interesting. It's not behaving as a DJI Mini would do. It feels as if it wants to do its own thing under its own kind of duress in a way, which I don't fully understand why it wants to do that. Anyway, we're not worried about it too much right now. I'm not too concerned about it, to be honest, just because... Attitude mode. Fly with caution. Attitude mode. Because it's so well protected. Fly with caution. Okay. Right. To try and fly through this bit of wire wool somehow. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to go, but we'll give it a go. Okay. Right. That didn't go too well, did it? I'm afraid. Gosh, wow. Might need a calibration or something. Start calibration. I'll start the calibration sequence. That might do something towards helping it fly a bit more stable. Okay, that calibration, the IMU has been calibrated. Right, so I'm now going to do a different calibration where I need to just twizzle it around a little bit. I'm hoping that this is going to make the problem go away, let's say. Right, fingers crossed it's now going to kind of behave itself. I'll try again, take it off, see what happens. Nope, still doing the same thing.
Attitude mode. Fly with caution.
I don't know why it wants to do that. Just seems to want to go to the left hand side all the time, and I'm not touching the sticks at all. Okay.
Landing.
Okay. Right, let's look for any kind of defects on it, which might have happened. I don't understand why it would want to do that. Perhaps I could fly it with the take the guards off. Perhaps that might go some way towards doing something. I mean, I don't know. I'm trying just anything at the moment which comes to mind. If this carries on like this, I think I'm going to have to I don't know, consult DJI or someone, because it shouldn't be doing that. Not if it's a brand new drone. I've taken it out for one flight and it's doing that, and well, that's a bit disappointing, to be honest. I know it's not I know it's not an expensive drone, but it shouldn't be doing that anyway. Right, we tried again with the guards off. Oh gosh, what happened there? Just suddenly went to the left then. Alright, it's very unstable, I'm afraid. That should be hovering still. It shouldn't be doing that. Okay, alright, okay, well, we'll take it for a fly, and I don't know how this is going to work out, to be honest. Probably not very well. Oh gosh, what's it doing? Not touching it at all. I'm not doing anything with it, and it's just going backwards and... Gosh, what on earth? What the heck? I'm sorry guys, but this is not what I expected to happen. Nothing like it. I expected this thing to actually just, like, you know, play ball, as it were. But it's doing something which is very, very, very strange. And for the life of me, I haven't a clue why it would be doing that. Has anyone else had this problem with this drone? And if you have, can you please help? Because I haven't got a clue what's going on. I've had no crashes in it. This is pretty much brand new, almost out of the box. I've had one little flight with it yesterday. And yeah, I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest. I have to be truthful about that. I'm pretty disappointed. Right, I'm just checking the props to make sure. I've just had a message come up: replace and check props. Just trying to see if there's any damage to any props anywhere. They appear to be all okay from just a quick visual scan. No, I don't know. I'm a bit flummoxed about this one. Try it one more time, I think.
Home point updated.
Again, I'm just not doing anything here, and it's It's all over the place, really is. Not doing anything with it, and it's just doing some weird shit at the moment. I don't understand that. Not sure it wants to go in their mind. Taking it for a quick
Attitude mode.
fly in the
Fly with caution.
in the
Attitude
forest.
mode. Fly with caution. Attitude mode. Fly with caution.
Okay. Yeah, weird. It's doing something strange again.
Attitude mode. Fly with caution.
Yeah, it's done something strange again, guys. I'm going to try and bring it back. No, it's gone sideways. I mean, it just... Oh, my goodness me. What is the matter with this thing? Oh, man. I have to go and find it again. Now, there's something not right with it. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I don't even know where I stand regarding any kind of warranty. I've only had it a day, basically, and it's a real letdown, to be honest. Okay, let's go and grab this thing and take it home, and let's go back to the drawing board with it and do some research on the internet and try and come up with some kind of explanation for why it's doing what it's doing, because I'm pretty much out of ideas. Anyway, guys, I think it's coming towards the end of this this shortened video, let's say. This is not how I expected the video to go. I was expecting to go into the forest or into the wood and fly around and get something similar to what I did with my DJI Mini 2. I don't think it's the end of the Neo. I just think that it's just a bit of a glitch. I'm hoping to perhaps find out what the glitch actually is, and then I'll get to work on it and then sort that glitch out, because it ought not to be doing that. If that's what this drone does, DJI Neos, then it shouldn't be released to market. I'm pretty sure that there's something not right with it, put it that way. But whatever it is, if I can do something about it, then I will do something about it, and I'll be back on other videos, hopefully with this little chap here, flying it around the woods or the forest, doing what I want it to do. And I'm hoping that it's actually going to obey what I want it to do. Yeah, I'm disappointed, a little bit disappointed. But anyway, guys, just want to say thanks for sticking around, thanks for watching. More videos to come, hopefully with this little fellow here, flying through the trees and whatever else, bringing you some real nice footage, which I unfortunately did not get in this outing, but there's more outings to come. So with that message, people, I want to say thanks for watching, take care, and as always, bye for now.